Hey everyone. If you're using a Mac and go full screen in a browser or any app, you might notice the top menu bar disappears. To access it, you have to hover your cursor at the top of the screen, and as soon as you move your cursor away, it vanishes again. If you find this annoying, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it so the menu bar stays visible even in full screen mode. First, let's minimize the app. Now, head over to your system settings. You can open it from your dock if you have it there, or click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in System Settings, it will usually open to the General tab by default. In the sidebar, scroll down and click on Control Center. In the Control Center settings, you'll see options for different modules. Look for the section that says Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. By default, it's probably set to In Full Screen Only. Click on this option and you'll see several choices. Always, On Desktop Only, In Full Screen Only, Never. Select Never if you want the menu bar to stay visible at all times, even in full screen mode. Now let's go back to the browser and test it out. When you switch to full screen mode, you'll see the menu bar remains visible. While its color might adapt to the app you're using, it won't disappear anymore. And that's it. A simple fix to keep your menu bar visible at all times. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.